Virtual hug, fully master. Love every time. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel today. If you are just tuning into my channel for the very first time, virtual hug, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Nike. Thank you so much for being here today, and to all my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for the constant show of love on this channel. So guys, in this video today, I'm gonna be doing a very quick unboxing of this Koji ice maker that I purchased off of Target. This is what it looks like in the box. It's the Koji homemade favorite, and oh Lord, and here this is the snow cone maker. It says it's the homemade snow cones in minutes, so you could make your snow cones in minutes. This is very ideal, I think, for the summer, and you guys know this period everyone wants to have something cold and chilled. So guys, stay tuned with me and let's unbox this product and also try it out for the very first time. So aside from this snow maker here, I also did get this Hawaiian shaved ice pack. It's a flavor. It has 3 flavors. It's a fun pack, and it comes in the cherry, grape, and the blue raspberry. It came with the cups and also I don't know what these things are called. However, this is what it looks like. So it came in here with the straws. This is the straws. These are the cups. I got this off of Amazon, and these are for the bottle, the syrup bottle for the ice. So you just hook this on, and you guys are gonna be seeing this anyway, so I just thought to show you guys this. However, we're gonna be trying this out together. I will just put this back together while we test this out together, guys. Stay tuned, okay? So I got this product off of Target as usual. I just like to try new things out, and I got it for $29.99. This is the manual. So one thing I want to say about the unboxing, if you're not a patient person, you're not gonna like unboxing this because it was so tight, literally. I just had to turn it upside down this way. Yes, I was like, you know what, I don't have time to waste, right? I just want to get this out of the box and be done with it, okay? But I did like the fact that they made it a tight packaging. It goes on to show that this product was packaged well. They didn't want it to get damaged and all that. They even put a bag on it as a white product, you know, to avoid dust and all that stuff, which I think is super cool as well. This product, as they say, could make your homemade snow cone ice in about 3 minutes or less, depending on you and how fast you put these products together. Let's figure this out, guys, and see how this is supposed to be fixed. Thanks to Mr. T for helping me out here. Yeah, I think it's this way. Yes, this way. Yep, pretty easy. And you put the triangular part of this cup, fix it into the triangle there. This is what then it looks like. It does say that it has stainless steel blades, and the manual says you should fill this cup up with ice. So let's do this, guys. So it does say that this is a compact electric shaved ice, and it has a capacity of making 6 cup of cone ice, blizzard ice. It does say Frosty will be jealous. Really, I find that funny though. It does say this is compact. I really did wish they could do something about. So you just turn the lid. It does say turn the lid and it shaves the ice. I find that really interesting. So I wish it came with a bowl. Underneath here, I had to improvise and put my own bowl, and you guys can see the spill of ice. That's 1, 2, the ice spilled all over the place, and I really didn't like it. 2 is the noise. The noise is out of this world. I don't like the noise, guys. I do not like the noise. If you don't like noise, please don't buy this. You'll just be irritated. So let's go ahead and put this in the cups. I was supposed to try it in 6 cups, but I was like, I don't have time for that. Yeah, I was like, nah, who has time to be putting ice into 6 snow cone cups? I was like, nah, 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 nah. So this is what the ice is looking like. Shaved ice, not so bad. The kids will love it. And if you do love ice, especially now that the weather is super hot, guys, oh my god, the weather is like 90 degrees in Indianapolis. And I'm like, we need to cool off. As I said, I got this off of Target for $29.99, which is relatively $30. And here, guys, I improvised. I had to put them in glass cups like this just so you guys could see, get a better view of what I'm doing. So one thing I didn't like about this is the fact that when I poured in the syrup, the ice looked funny. I didn't like it. I do like slushes, but I do like my slushes smooth. This wasn't smooth, so I really didn't really enjoy it. Mr. T just felt it wasn't bad. I mean, he's a guy. He would just not care. He liked it, which I think is cool. Everything has its advantage and its disadvantage, right? So the disadvantage here is the noise for me. That's number one, and the way it's shaped the ice, not completely smooth. However, guys, this is it. So thank you guys so much for watching till this very stage. I really do appreciate you guys. Please do remember to hit the like and the subscribe button. If you did find this video helpful, I would appreciate it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in, and please remember to hit the like and the subscribe button. Bye.